Sweelco embraced prefab light steel and Vertex BD's digital process to modernize the building industry. At the core of France's construction evolution, Sweelco is using steel to change the foundation of construction. Compared to brick and concrete, light steel has unparalleled benefits: a 40% decrease in materials used in a building's foundation, as well as an up to 10% increase in floor space. Light steel's characteristic as an outright transformative material is undeniable. With automated BIM software like Vertex BD, Sweelco's integrated design team is pioneering cutting-edge steel structures that keep customers coming back for more. Sweelco's innovative insulation integration exemplifies a leap forward for energy-efficient buildings. Prefab frames are easily assembled and installed, offering a minimal environmental footprint, much due to the material's lightness and recyclability. Sweelco's success reflects a broader shift towards modern design software, as well as materials that promise both durability and ecological responsibility. When every project benefits from close collaboration between design, production, and client, Sweelco is always on the forefront of innovation. Discover how prefab construction and software automation is used to lay the foundation of modern buildings. Find out more on our website.